Hello everyone, this is Gay Esser from RegDesk. Let's take a look at our top global regulatory updates. Our first alert is from Australia, where we actually have several alerts. For the first alert, there's new guidance regarding understanding how the TJA regulates software-based medical devices. Our second alert, also from Australia, provides unique device identification or UDI information for sponsors and manufacturers. This helps you understand and apply the UDI requirements to your medical devices. Our third alert, also coming from Australia, is regarding UDI requirements. This provides UDI requirements for individual device types, such as implantable devices, software, and surgical loan kits. Our fourth alert is from Paraguay, where DINAVISA has published resolution number 073-2026. This is an amendment for Article number 2 of Resolution number 321-2023. It's about approving the national program for post-marketing surveillance of medicines and other products under the legal jurisdiction of the National Health Surveillance Directorate. Thank you for joining us. These alerts are just a small example of what RegDesk does every day with regulatory intelligence. Our RIM platform also helps teams stay ahead of global changes with real-time tracking, streamlined submissions, automated change assessments, and much more. Stay connected with RegDesk for insights that matter most. This is Gay Esser with your global regulatory updates.